number 11. Kapit mo yung number 4 sa 11. Start na, start na. Start. Bola, isa bola.
Oh, wow.
Saan? Saan ka mo lang saan pupunta yun?
Start. Good. Unyo. To Jacqueline, 2 points. Jacqueline Gama. 2-0. Med. To Lex side serving move. No good. Rebound by Med. Pinoy pa. Unyo. Masuk Ibe. Short jumper. No good. Rebound by Mikey. Tutoy.
Gasa. Pangalan ng pinsan ko.
Pangalan ng pinsan mo? Tutoy.
Pare sa nakatago ko naman yan.
Rubabe, take it 3. No good. 3-5. Charlie. Unyo. No good. 3-5. Mikey. To Met.
Bosley. Skipper.
Giver was GB. To Ibe. Trapas to Giver. 2 points. Giver cross. 4-0. Grabe si Giver cross. 8 minutes and 40. Let's.
Yung ano?
8 minutes and 30. Babi na naman. Tumirantes. Wala. Rebound by Jason. Now na naman si Keeper. Keeper. 2 points.
United by the game.
United by the game. 2 by Julio Florentino. It's here. Wow. By Tutoy. 8 minutes and 12 seconds. 6-0. 6-0. GB taking 3. No good. 3-5. Keeper. To Jacqueline. No good. 3-5 Lex. Lex. Mamadali. Lex side stepping move. 2 points. Lex Oli. 6-2. 7-58 was over to Ibe. Trapas to GB. GB to Ibe. 13 seconds to shoot. Ibe na naman. Block by Mikey.
20-20.
7-42. Napas mo Mikey sa ilalim. Foul. Foul by jersey number. Lahat. Foul. 0. 6-2 in favor of Team C. Babet. To Lex. 12 seconds to shoot. Tumakbi na naman, libre naman sa 3. Wala pa rin. 3-5. Nauna na naman siya. 2 points na naman siya. Yun sana, keeper bro. 8-2. Isi naman, JB all alone. 2 points. JB Adal. 10-2. Huli, still by United by the game. Lumipad. Dapat 2 points. 12-2. Lamang daw sila Dani. Mikey. Mikey lumipad. Mikey na naman. Mikey. 2 points. Mikey. Nepomuceno. 12-4. Take 3. Jacqueline Gama. 15-4. Mets lumipad din. 2 points. 6 minutes and 20. What a Mabay. To legs. Legs sa kanya na. Legs. Out of bounds. 6 minutes and 7. Dulas pa. 15-6. Lamangan Tipsy. Ganda ng cheers mo eh. 15-6.
Dati kasi hindi ako nakakabot.
Tutoy. Tutoy to Mets. 6 minutes exactly. Taking 3. No good. 3 Mama Jackie. Is steal by Tutoy. 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 Tutoy by Tutoy. Tutoy taking 3. 3. Lance Yato. 9-15.
Grabe si Tutoy.
Lumipad, two boys, Mets. 15-11, 5 minutes and 13. Tapos Ipe, two boys, Ipe, 17-11. Igawe. Next.
Nagsama ba?
20 seconds to shoot. Let's making his move. Let's balik. Tapos may bate. Steal by JP. JP. Change score na po. Change score na po. Bakit by JP Andal. 19-11. 19-11. Lamang po ang Tipsy. 19-11. Good ball to Mets, to Legs, Mets and Legs, Legs, crossover move, Oli, 15 seconds to shoot, steal by, sayang, wala still play, 11 seconds to shoot, 11 seconds. To Mets, wow! 14-second shot clock. 14-second shot clock. Tutoy. Taking 3 na naman. No good, di mo pailit. Tutoy. Mikey pala. Mikey, di mo kuseno. Ipe, to JP, no move, no good, Lima Bay, Tutoy, Lima Bay, Tutoy, ito mga turo ko yan. Good ball, to Mikey, ano ba si Mikey, Tutoy, 19-15. Two boys, Ipe, 21-15. Leave is a 43. To Mikey. To Lex. Tutoy, taking 3 naman. No good. 3-5. Out of bounds. Bola na. Team D pa rin. 21-15. In favor of Team C. To Mets. Post up move. Mets. Wow. 11 seconds to shoot. 11 seconds. 11 seconds. 11 seconds. Steal by the back. The back all alone. Two boys. Florentino. Punyo. The back. 3 minutes and 5 seconds. Steal by Ipe. Ipe nagmamadali. Nauna si Jackie. Two boys. Jackie kalmate. Point lead. 25-15. 2 minutes and 53 seconds. Mets. 15 seconds to shoot. Mets. To Mikey. Spin around. The block by Jackie. 8 seconds to shoot. Foul. 14 seconds shot clock. 14 seconds. What a block by Mr. Jackie Kama. Steal by. Nauna na si Tabat. Dapat, pinaka ni Tutoy. Block by Tutoy, pero may foul. Para defense by Las Llanos. 2 minutes and 27. Score 25-15. Good one. JP Andal, JP, Kuya Rene, MVP nung last one. Para pass, pero still by Lex. Lex, nagmamadali si Lex. Lex, lumipad. Wow! Paruka! Foul by jersey number 2 minutes and 7. 25-15 pa rin po ang score. Babit. Mula to Amola. To Mikey. Kiskin by Kuya Rene. Kuya Ren. To Kuya Ipe. Wala pa rin. Ipe pa rin. 2 balls. Last 2 minutes. Crossover mo pa Lex. Para move. Lex Olive. 1 minute and 30. 27-17.
Maganyan daw digit.
1 minute and 34. 15 second shot clock. 10 second shot clock. Jackie J. Green. No good. 3 by Lex. Lex, nagmamadali. Kasama si Mikey, lumipad na si Lex. 2 points na naman. 27-19. 1 minute and 13 seconds. Crossover mo ba Ipe? Lapas. Out of bounds. Good ball kuya. Good ball. Good ball. Mets. Nagmamadali si Mets. Lumipad. Block na naman by Jackie. Nakuha 2 points by Mikey. 21-27. Lamang po ang team C. Shoot po ba? Shoot. 29-21. 44 seconds left. Tutoy. To Mikey. Thinking green. No good. Rebound by JP. Crossover mo by JP. Pinay na maputik na mawala. JP. Umawala parang JP. No, wala. Rebound by Mikey. 20 seconds. Shot lock off. No good. Rebound by Lex. No good pa rin. Iba by Kuya. Ano pa? 10 seconds. Shot lock off. Good ball. Good ball. Good. 4 seconds. 3 seconds. 2, 1. And of the ball game.